Hello, in front of me Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, and let me show you how to change keyboard theme on this device. Let's start from open settings, and now we have to scroll down to the general management, click on the languages and input, on screen keyboard, and now you have to choose your currently used keyboard. In my case it is Samsung keyboard, and here it is the style and layout. Click on the keyboard themes, and now just adjust your favorite theme. I will stay with light. So thank you for the watching, leave likes, subscriptions and comments below.